Aloha, this is Harry from Kailua. Got a special request to do a famous Kui Lee song called Lahaina Luna, written in 1966. Here's a close-up. I am going to the island of the valley, to Lahaina, Lahaina Luna, where the mountains are green. You will find me in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. They say that Maui no Kau'i, and I agree, 'cause Maui no Kau'i is the only place for me. That's where you find me, down by the seaside, watching the moonlight, the twinkling starlight, the morning sunrise, the golden sunset in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Okay, to learn this song by Kui Lee, written in 1966, we're going to need 4 chords. We're going to need an A, a D, an E7, and a B7. Okay, let's teach you the melody first, and let's do it in little phrases. So here's the first phrase. I am going to the island of the valley, to Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Okay, let's do it with the chords, so sing along. I am going to the island of the valley, to Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Okay, so there's 4 beats to a chord, so you can strum it any way you like. I'm thinking in my head, I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can experiment. Lahaina Luna. If you want to make it reggae, you can go, I am going to the island of the valley, to Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. So reggae, I'm thinking like 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3. But you can do it any kind of way you like. Okay, so I'm going to keep it kind of traditional. Here's the second phrase. Where the mountains are green, you will find me in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Okay, let's do it with the chords. Where the mountains are green, you will find me in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Okay, let's put the two phrases together. I am going to the island of the valley, to Lahaina, Lahaina Luna, where the mountains are green. You will find me in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Okay, next phrase. They say that Maui no Kau'i, and I agree, 'cause Maui no Kau'i is the only place for me. Okay, let's do that with the chords. They say that Maui no Kau'i, and I agree, 'cause Maui no Kau'i is the only place for me. Okay, next phrase. That's where you find me, down by the seaside, watching the moonlight, the twinkling starlight, the morning sunrise, the golden sunset in Lahaina, Lahaina Luna. Okay, so let's do the whole last phrase. That's where you find me, down by the seaside, watching the moonlight, the twinkling starlight, the morning sunrise, the golden sunset in Lahaina, Lahaina luna. Okay, let's do the whole song again. I'll try to put some of the melody together with the chords. Maybe not the whole thing, but just to show you that you can experiment like this. So here we go. I am going to the island of a valley, to Lahaina, Lahaina luna, where the mountains are green. You will find me in Lahaina, Lahaina luna. They say that Maui no Kau'i, and I agree, 'cause Maui no Kau'i is the only place for me. That's where you find me, down by the seaside, watching the moonlight, the twinkling starlight, the morning sunrise, the golden sunset in Lahaina, Lahaina luna. Hope you enjoyed learning that special song written for the island of Maui in 1966. Please check back, tell your friends, and have a good time. Aloha.